Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to create a QR code with FormConnect, making it easy for people to access and respond to your Google form. First, open the Google form you want to share so others can respond. Click the add-on icon at the top, select FormConnect, and click Start. In the FormConnect sidebar, you'll see three main features. Click QR code sharing to get started. This screen displays a QR code linked to the form's published URL. Scanning it takes users directly to the form, so they can submit responses easily. FormConnect offers multiple options for your QR code. You can download it in various image formats, send it by email to a recipient, copy the URL to share manually, or post the QR code directly to social media platforms like Facebook, X, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, and Telegram. The Edit QR Code button offers customization options. Adjust the QR code size, background color, add a logo, and modify styles and colors to match your branding. The Copy QR Code button lets you quickly copy the image to your clipboard for easy pasting into messages or social media. With FormConnect's QR code sharing feature, sharing your Google form is simple and accessible. Try it today to make responding easy for everyone. To learn more, visit us at your website URL or download FormConnect today from the Google Workspace Marketplace.